In this video, I will show you how to check Windows activation status in Windows 11. So this should be a quick and easy process. Just go ahead to your search menu, type in Settings. After that, just click on Open. And from here, just go to the left side, click on System. Now, after you have clicked on System, just scroll down until you find Activation. Just click on Activation. And now you can check here your activation state. Now for me, it is active. Windows is activated with a digital license linked to my Microsoft account. And under it, you can change your product key. If you don't have it active, if you have bought a product key. So this was how to check Windows activation status in Windows 11. As always, thank you for watching.